This is my main channel where I have over 100,000 subscribers. That's why I talk about YouTube tips. Let's get into it. I don't think that you should have to wait to get monetized on YouTube so that you can start making money on YouTube. So today I'm going to tell you how you can start earning money right now. And I'm going to start with the most accessible method for beginners. And I think that that's affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? It's simple. You recommend products or services that you already use and love. And when someone buys through your unique link, you get a commission, usually somewhere between 5 to 50%, depending on the program. And the best part is that you don't need any subscribers to get started. You don't need special equipment. You don't need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You just need to be mentioning products and services that you genuinely use. So here's why it's perfect for beginners. You're already talking about things in your videos, most likely, right? Maybe your camera, maybe your editing software, books that you read, the tools that you use for your hobby, whatever your channel is about, you're probably naturally mentioning products. Affiliate marketing just means that you're getting paid when people buy those things based on your recommendation. There's no upfront cost to you. The links go in your description, your pinned comments, and even your community posts. And it works even if only a handful of people watch your videos. So, how do you actually start? 4 simple steps. First, make a list of products or services you already use and genuinely recommend. Do not overthink this, just write down what you actually use. Second, Google whatever the product name is, affiliate program, like Nike affiliate program. That's just what comes to my mind to see if they have one, and most companies do. Here are some beginner friendly programs to check out. There's Amazon Associates for physical products, Share a Sale, which is what I have on the screen right now. I knew about this. I did not know until filming this video that it's now called A Win. I guess they're going to officially change the name to A Win in 2026. I had no clue about that, but I just wanted to show on the screen. Let's see what else. Um, Share a Sale, now I guess soon to be called A Win, connects you to a ton of different merchants. And then there's also Impact, which has multiple brands. And you can look for your niche specific programs in your content area. So, third, sign up. Most programs are completely free to join. You'll fill out a quick application, get approved, sometimes instantly, sometimes within a few days, and then you'll get your unique affiliate link. Fourth, use that link. Mention the product or products in your video like you normally would, and then put your affiliate link in the description. And that's pretty much it. You're done. Let them know in the video that if they click on your link that you do get a commission, and let them know when you put that in your description box also that you get a commission from sales if they click on that link. And so here's the most important part. Only promote what you genuinely use and believe in. Your audience trusts your recommendations and they trust you. And that trust is worth more than any commission check. If you recommend garbage just to make a quick buck, you'll lose that trust and it's really hard to get back. But if you're honest about what works for you, people will value your opinion and they'll keep coming back. So tomorrow I'm going to share another way that you can start earning right now, even without ad revenue. That is the point of the videos that I'm going to make for the rest of the month. If you want to catch all of the monetization methods this month, make sure you're subscribed. And if you have questions about getting started with affiliate marketing or any questions about anything YouTube related, drop them in the comments and I'll answer your questions. And so, yeah, you can just take a look at how this looks. You've got a quick little get started uh, button over here. And then you can check out resources. Let's see here. No, in solutions, you can see for publishers, first thing, content creators and influencers earn sales for your influence. And when I click on that, then see promote brands you love, get rewarded for sales you influence, content creators, bloggers and podcasters to influencers and website owners. Love the A-Win platform because it's easy to use and full of exciting opportunities. Then you have a button right here to turn your passion into profit. And if you're not sure where to begin, There's a get started button here and here. So have some fun with that. I know that everyone seems to know about Amazon, so I just wanted to introduce something a little new to you, but check out all of these and good luck with earning on YouTube.